Today's super tough to get going. Legs are just cooked. I'm feeling tired. Hard to find some motivation, but going to try and get to Dillon today, it's called. It's just over 100k away, and that'll get me like halfway to Denver from where I am right now, I guess. So that's the goal. Still some more gradual uphill the whole way, so let's get it. Here I am in Vail, about halfway through. It's always a ski hill I've wanted to go to. Shane McConkey's old stomping grounds. It's been a lot of climbing so far. More climbing to come. This is the highest elevation I've been so far on the trip. Over 8,000 feet, so getting closer to Denver.
Middle off go, boy Adam Robert Idaho. DOB 1220 of 97.
Well, the sheriff pulled me on over. Asked me if I was alright on the highway, because somebody thought it was a little suspicious behavior being on the highway, I guess. He said I was allowed to ride on it. He just thought it'd be safer for me to ride on this back road and trail. So for the time being, I'll be here because I don't want to just blatantly ride in front of him when he told me it's better to go there. So I'll ride on here for a while, and then if I find out it's too inefficient, I might head back on the highway, but we'll see. He was super nice though. Climbing for 75k, got like 35 more k, and I just want to be done with Colorado and climbing. Pretty to look at if you're in a car, not when you're biking. Yeah, it's still pretty, but well, that was another brutally tough climbing day. Oh, I was complaining a lot. It wasn't too bad. It was pretty bad, but it's gradual off the start, and then as soon as right when I had to go onto that pathway, it just became like absurdly steep and windy, and it just wasn't good. But there's like a 20 kilometer downhill at the end, 25ish, so that wasn't too bad. First downhill I've had in a couple days, so made it to Dillon, and then I think Denver's like 70 miles away, so hopefully I can ride the I-70 tomorrow. If not, it might be a little longer on those pathways, but Denver's the goal for tomorrow. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, and I'll see you tomorrow. Keep mouse bad. Bye now.